Yeah, I think it's been up since yesterday, Tom. I think some people could trade, but like I saw Alpha Futures had to like roll back so much shit. Tapped 50% of this rejection block perfectly. But should have exploded. I need to put a jumper on. Ooh. Look at that. I was kind of worried some of you would chat shit to me for bottom ticking it. 1 second, I need to change my. Ooh. Yeah, I thought a few of you would just chat shit if I hit this bottom tick, so I didn't do it. And look how nicely it worked. Keep it at the end, dog. People never manage to good boy me, and it's fucking happened. Woods is pretty easy to good boy. He's pretty easy to bait. Okay, buddy. Izzy likes it, so he sets himself up. He does. Have we got this 1 and this 2 minute here? No 3 minute. Thing is, okay, we've swept some nice liquidity. We've rejected out of the 5 minute rejection block down here. So we swept all of this. We haven't swept London lows, unfortunately. But we do have a nice liquidity sweep. Oh, oh. Bullish SMT, liquidity sweep, reaction. Where do you go? Displacement. Expecting the end dog right now. Is anyone going long here? Oh, the 2 minute didn't close. We can really disregard ES right now with these gaps here. Nah, fuck it. If it disrespects the end dog and then versus the 2, I'm pulling the trigger. Oh, that's the open candle. I don't know about this one actually. Got a lot of sellers in here. We've tapped into 50% of the candle as well with the open candle. Yeah, no long for me either. know, I think might. This long could be better if it. Okay, so okay, we got another 2 minutes. That's unlucky. We respected 50% of the current range that we're in as well. So this could flip to being bullish and just pushing up. Not that it was bearish, but you know what I mean. But this end dog is holding us down. Not that great PA right now. Maybe we probably want to fill this end dog as well.
Which side of this range we want to break out of?
Okay, we might want to fucking come back down, retest this, and then maybe we could push up. Just speculation. Yeah, she's not warmed up yet. Got bearish and T.
We're so close to London lows.
Yeah.
I'm that bearish S&P nodes.
No fair value gap though. 3 minute order block. Tapping into this 5. Okay, set London lows. Bullish SMT. Big bullish SMT. Just filled the 4 hour. The 1 hour below could trade into here. We actually inversed the daily fair value gap as well, so this would be nice though. This imbalance here, that would be nice to fill. But we've inversed the daily, set London lows, tapped into. We filled the 4 hour. We've got a 1 hour unmitigated below.
It's a 1 and 4.
Pardon?
1 hour and 4 hour.
Yeah.
I could see us coming down to like yesterday's mid, or maybe even last week's high. There's a wick to the left on October 16th.
But this unmitigated is a nice draw. What was the other one? The one on the 4 hour inverse in 15 minutes. Fuck me, big old 2 minute that's about to be created. Oh, it's created anyways. Okay, what would be nice is if we could create a 5. But we respected these 5 minutes here.
A lot of buyers were trapped there on that run up.
Yeah, my trader rate is really like laggy, so it's a bit annoying to have open. Please, oh my god. Like it freezes and I don't know why. You still at your buddy's house, Dustin?
Yeah, I knew a new friend's house. Traveled in across Missouri some. I'm in central Missouri now, no longer in St. Louis.
Oh, so you're like sofa hopping to see your friends right now.
Yes, yes I am.
That's nice though. That's nice. It must be nice to
Yeah,
see
I used to
everyone.
live up. Say that again?
It must be nice to see everyone again.
For sure. Yeah, I used to live up here, and it was a lot easier. So it's like I still need to take the time.
Yeah. What'd you got? Break even. Unlucky. Good job. Yeah, see, now my trader rate isn't even opening. Like it's open, but I've just got a black screen. Why is my trader rate so cooked?
bullish S&T. I still think we're bearish right now.
Oh, why did it do that then? Oh, this is horrible. Okay, I'm not using.
We almost came to the unmitigated 4-hour. All right, here we go. Man, moving fast.
Not even that far. God. Expecting this 5 minute. Okay, we create the 5 minute above. We might want to tap into this. 5 minute long doesn't look bad. See what happens. Trade it into the 5 minute. Yeah, I can't see anything because of my trade of it. I've just got black screen on the desktop version, and on the web browser, like it's got none of my shit saved, so I'm not about to use all of that. But Dustin, if you had a look at your delta footprint down here, you could see if we've got a large amount of orders down here, at the bottom of these wicks or in these wicks. Probably like 170 or something like that.
I'm not going to turn it on. I shorted at 9:41 a.m.
Oh damn!
And so I'm close to break even for managing this.
2-digit orders in this area.
Looks bullish. We just had a W shape inverse.
I'll be happy to take the 30-second.
30-second.
The 5 minutes, sorry. 2 and the 3, the 4 and the 5. So the 5, if we're gonna inverse, the 5's gonna inverse, but the other gaps are gonna be kind of awkward. So anything, I'd need my stop to be like down here, and I'm risking way too much. No, because I can just manage the trade in a different way, dudes.
Just have the 30-second LFVG. Rejected off a bit pretty hard for now.
Rejecting off that 5. You might want to still come down and hunt some sell side. Who knows? 6 minutes. Do we have any like 15-minute equal highs at the top? They're not massive. We got quadruple 15-minute equal highs on ES. Damn.
I was able to hold on to my short position.
Nice.
I'd already taken some profits at the bottom of the 4-hour.
I'm not considering shorts right now, boys, because this 5-minute has held us up. But if we do inverse this 5-minute, we could really look at coming down quite far. The one in the 4 hours, etc., inverse in 4 minutes. So this one in 2 just inversed. ES might want a better sweep of London here, so like imagine like fuck me, bro. Three minutes got 20 seconds. Is it gonna inverse this 3-minute? Should really break this 3-minute though, I'm not gonna lie. I'd be surprised if we don't inverse this. Okay, so that 3 minutes just inversed. 5 minutes got 3 minutes left. Get a retracement entry. Fuck me, I nearly done it. Okay, so ES has had a better sweep of London there. What have we just tapped into down here? Oh, is this that's the 15-minute. And we've tapped into this unmitigated hourly and 4-hour and the 8-hour. Yeah, Woodsy. You'd hope it drops. But where we tapped into this.
There's a. Go ahead.
No, it's fine. Carry on.
15-minute below, right around the previous week high. But this 1 and 4 hour unmitigated might be enough.
It would be interesting to see if we inverse these hourlies and 4 hour. But so I mean, this is why sometimes a little bit more cautious when we're close to inversing a higher time frame gap and taking a trade, because you don't know what it wants to do.
We could trend bearish for the day. I'm not opposed to that idea.
I think
We've
this
been
is
under the VWAP hours. Actually, almost since Asia. London went above VWAP just a little bit.
I don't think this is going to give a nice inverse if it inverses. I mean, it's valid enough, really, isn't it? But
and something that's that we tend to target would be there's a gap on the daily, not what we would define as a gap, but the bodies don't overlap. Yesterday,
yeah, imbalance.
October 17th, so that new week opening gap, that imbalance.
Yeah, that's how I got it marked
I don't know
out.
that I'm that bearish, but we have to keep that in mind. That we could be that bearish.
But we could easily come through that today. But it is, I mean, it's quite a way away. So maybe we don't want to fill it today, in fact. 177 points. Okay, so we've inversed absolutely everything. Apart from obviously the unmitigated, but triple 1 hour equal lows on ES. Triple 1 hour equal highs on ES, sorry, yeah. But yeah, just equal highs there.
The major draws, like swing lows, are so far down.
So I mean, could just slowly trade to them. Yeah, James, I've done the same.
Yeah, I might hold a runner all day.
I would, fuck it. Have we seriously got no 5 minutes in the way? We should come down to here. Oh, ES is tucked into a 5. Nice. Might give us a really ugly setup here.
For this downward trend line we're creating, we will definitely want to take that out sometime.
Three minute, 2 minute.
What do you think about these 1 minute longs?
I don't really know. It's a bit too. So like where we're wiki within this area here, you can just see that the sellers are absorbing it a little bit until we get a nice strong displacement candle. Then it might change my mind, but we're just a bit too wiki. This not enough buying momentum. ES looks a lot nicer with the candles. The 3 minute will give us a good idea here. But I'll be totally honest. I want to target this down here.
Oh, we filled potential 4-hour gap. I mean, it's still a couple ticks. That's interesting. We've almost taken out the previous 4-hour low. ES has taken out the previous 4-hour low. So we have a bullish SMT in that sense.
Yeah, and I mean ES has respected this 5 minutes so nicely as well. Tapped the outside of it and rejected. That's another thing. I'm not the thing. I'm just not opposed to taking either play. So like for shorts, don't really have a bearish SMT, or do we? From
No.
don't really have a valid liquidity sweep. Apart from this, I guess, and sweeping liquidity within the gap, just forcing a conviction. I'd be surprised if this short plays out.
On the 30-second, the short didn't look bad just because there was a nice wick to the left, but definitely wasn't something I was taking. Bonds are starting to look better.
Much better, yeah. I knew that short wasn't going to play out.
There was a hell of a liquidity sweep from that short.
Not really.
Yeah. It happened in like 1 second. I was on the 30-second and just...
If we shut this, like if we wick down here, that would be super nice. The long does look better in terms of conviction. Would we leave this 4 hour though? What do you mean? We've tapped into the 4 hour. Just by the tick, like Dustin said. Not like the best, but we've seen it before where the 1 hour's done the same thing and fucking flown. But even still, like, I still think we want to hunt this 202. Especially having a psychological number as well. Volume's just a bit shitty. Who is this guy? Triple equal highs on the EOS.
Still got a run or a short, but I think it'd be pretty difficult to trade lower because there's a lot of buying pressure below, a lot of demand.
Yeah. Kind of gay that didn't inverse.
I think the better end versus the W shape, so that far left gap.
The 3 minute.
1 minute. But yes, yeah, 1 and 3. Now inverse. You've got to be kidding.
But this is kind of why I wanted this one here, so break even at this point. Well, if we push through it, but someone took that short. It should have been recognized as a weak trade, and if you took it, it should be right with the hard stop. Yeah, for real. For real, James. Best thing for us right now, honestly, to give us a good trade is this 5 minute. That's the best thing for us. Five-minute inverses go to session highs. Okay, so that big 1 minute inverse. 3 minutes still open, however. The 2 minutes still open. Oh, fuck me. Okay, so we just put an equal lows, makes the longs nicer. 3 minute and the 2 minute inverse, and now we've tapped into these gaps above, so it's a bit awkward. Tapped into the 5. Hopefully we could get a good look.
Taking my shirt off.
Hopefully we could get good.
Tap that 5.
Yeah, tap the 5. I think we even. Not quite. I wonder if it's going to do what it does. Yeah, and it did. See that, Tom? See that, buddy? It's a limit order. How? Not a market order.
Hope we can inverse this this 30-second. Right at the right at the bottom of the 5.
So that again.
This is nice. This is nice. I think we're going that. I took my shorts off and flipped long at 10:15 and a half. There's a W shape inverse on the 30-second, and now we got a kind of continuation of that pattern. W shape showing up on a higher time frame. Traded to the very top of that 5 minute. Exactly. We push through. Up to 15 minute.
Now we're in this 15. Okay. This 5 could be a little bit risky, boys. I'll go break even if we tap into the end dog. Four minutes still not closed. We respected the 4 minute. 3 minutes got 40 seconds. Okay, I'm break even.
Nice one, Jack.
Haven't quite tapped the end dog yet.
If we take out session highs, then I am impressed, and we are bullish on the day. Maybe heading for all-time highs.
Yes, it's in
We
this.
should head for all-time highs if we take out session highs. We have now traded above the VWAP. I need to grab a hoodie to grab it.
Still haven't tapped this end dog here. I kind of want to move this stop. I might want to retest this level. Need to tap this end dog. What we in a big 3, 2 minute, 4 minute. Okay.
Yes, it's taken out session highs, but still, wow, just barely wicked all the liquidity above. Hopefully we get a more proper sweep. There it is.
We should just pump here. I'm not going to lie. We should just fucking pump. Don't know why we're not.
I think so too. Big bearish SMT.
Yeah, stopped out there. Two minutes still open. It's a shame that Nasdaq didn't follow, but honestly, one in the 2 minute inverse here. Big bearish SMT. Tap the quadrant on the daily. Bro, we didn't inverse that 4 minute. It's been okay. We just had a long but break even. Just had a break even long. Didn't even tap the end dog. Pretty shit. I thought we had kind of rallied through this end dog, didn't rally through it. Because I wasn't going to go break even until we tapped it, but based off how the candles are behaving, I did go break even. I mean, ES did sweep all of this liquidity up here as well, but kind of wanted to see the end dog get tapped. Got these equal lows in here. Rejected off the 15-minute as well. We just filled this 5-minute. Big bearish S&T. That's a shame Nasdaq didn't follow. I had good hopes about that trade though. Where was we in at? Damn. Well, the daily inverse, but the 1 hours and the 4 hours have also inversed, but we've also tapped into unmitigated gaps below. I wish I took that short now. I still think that level will want to be visited here. Nice, Woodsy.
Yes, yes, Jay.
Yeah, Woodsy, I wanted to take the reversal of this, but tapped into the 4. Four-minute net inverse. Crazy RR.
Not in my home office, Jay. Currently traveling and at a friend's.
Would you say the 1 hour fair value gap is stretched in the higher time frame fair value gap if you see the wick? We just tapped into this though, so. See, we tapped into it there by literally the smallest tick. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. So it's like it's just a bit wishy-washy, but and major draws below are quite far away. We got yesterday's lows down here at 114. We also have a daily imbalance down here, so we got nice draws below. Shame we couldn't get that entry there. Should really take this out. And this 181.
Now we've got a bullish S&T.
Yeah, now we got a bullish S&T. Easily see this. 3-minute. Nice, Pablo. I didn't get the entry on it. I didn't get the fill. I nearly had the retracement fill as well, like up here. The one in the 2 minute. Big bullish SMT. I don't know about this 1 minute. I don't think it's the best play. I kind of want to take a continuation short. Had a nice sell side liquidity sweep here though. Yeah, Pablo. We took the longs up here on the 5 minute. Where was it up here? ES just fucking rallied. Yeah. ES swept session highs. Rallied. NQ didn't follow. So gay, bro. But look at this. We're just trading under the fucking first created fair value gap of the day. I just want a nice short. Yeah, nice, Pablo. Is there only 30 seconds?
No.
Unlucky. Tapped into that 2 minute below. Now the 1 minute long doesn't look too bad, but we're about to create a 5 minute as this 1 minute inverses, so this 5 minute could be created and then push us straight down. But we've kind of respected this gap and we've slowly built up the momentum for the buys. Yeah, hopefully we just create this 5 reactor for the 5, but we got no gaps to short. Yeah, for all these. Create the 5. Oh, good boy, Woodsy, good boy. See what I'm saying, chat? He falls into the bait. Did you take this long, Joe? Yeah, rightfully so, though. I've been fucked in the ass by that before. Hand is so itchy. But I'm not. I don't know. Like, we just need to trade into this 2 minutes, see what happens. Yeah. We might trade into this 1 minute and then come back down. But look. Damn. Yeah, we're currently respecting 50% of yesterday's entire move. See ya, Pablo. Pablito. Eons. Didn't inverse the fucking 5 minutes. Because the ES is tapped into that gap at the top. Nasdaq just closed off that fucking 1 minute.
Yeah, I think we could come up from here. Tons of liquidity above on NQ. But this LFDG.
We back in.
What's up? What was that?
Holding this 3 minute and 50% of yesterday's move. So it's actually playing out. What I drew is actually playing out, but ES has tapped into that area and given us the reaction that I kind of expected. Yeah, just trading under that 2 minute fair value gap. Uh.
5-minute closes here.
About to create another 5. Okay, this should dump. If it doesn't dump, I'm fucking super confused.
Why should it dump? There it is.
And it's mainly just of candle. I hate to say it, candle patterns, but it's like candle behavior. That's ES. Oh yeah, bro. Fuck me. I should have traded ES. ES done it perfectly. Oh, bro. You too slow, boy. And yeah,
You think we continue down, Jack?
I don't know because we've just like completely rejected the sellers here. So it's a bit weird.
Some nice draws above.
Yeah. We'll see what happens here when ES tucks back into this rejection block. Okay. I really wanted this, bro. What was the white ball? Okay, we got this 1 minute here. ES is tapping back into this rejection block. Long into this, sell limit hits, price plummets. I'm just gonna test something. No, I can't test it. I'm a fucking cunt. It's trading back into this rejection block. 3 minutes still open, 4 minutes, 5 minute closing, 30 seconds. Okay. Equal highs have just been put in with 5 minute equal highs. The 5 minute did inverse, but this isn't best. I don't know, we might just trade under these equal highs now. Price comes back up to this, I'll buy.
Yes, it's pushing.
Oh fuck. Alright, let's do this. This might be an L because of the equal highs. I'm going to keep it 100% real. Yes, didn't inverse that 1 minute. I'm just going to close the position early. I wanted ES to inverse that 1 minute there. So I don't care that if this plays out, I don't give a shit. Oh my god, I put the white ball again. Okay, so ES is finally inversed that now. We should just take these now.
Yeah, I think so. I'd like to see NQ target session highs.
If we could tap back into this, I'd be happy to do this.
Triple equal highs. 5.
Swept.
Took them.
We're tapping into this rejection block, so we could retrace. I do kind of need to take this profit. I'm just going to take the profit there. Only $165, but I've lost like $100 in accidental position and fucking slippage. We've tapped into the rejection block. We might want to push up into it. We might want big bearish SMT. I know. I was thinking the same these, but we've got a huge bearish SMT right now. I'm just gonna fill it. If I lose, I lose. I don't give a fuck. It's not having the reaction we need right now. Up into the 1 minute below, please. Yeah, fuck that rejection block. ES is rallying. Still in this 2 minute. Did we just explode up? Yeah, we did. Okay, if there's 2 minute inverses here, boys, you could probably take the 2 minute long. I'm not gonna lie. We've tapped into the 4 minute though, 50% of the 4 minute. Not quite.
Guys, I have some news. I just learned something about Take Profit Trader.
Oh yeah.
I was in very heavy longs on one of my accounts, and it with a lot of room to run, and it capped me at 10,000 win gains for the day, and it switched me over to a Pro Plus account on that.
Holy shit!
But it
Good.
sucks because it was going to be 20,000 at full TP, so it took me out my longs early. Which sucks.
Yeah, that does suck.
Because it's run another probably $4 grand, $5 grand. Yeah, what's the I'll port in one of them. W shape it. W shape at the bottom, and then I took some profits, and then or more profits, and then re-entered after we came for that liquidity sweep. Yes, sir. It was want to make some money on one of these accounts. But that's interesting. I'll be able to see what the Pro Plus is like. That's 90-10 profit split rather than 80-20. I think they'll take me into a live account. But 5,000 of my gains will be used, pulled over, rather than being able to take those as a payout. Holy shit.
Nice.
That sucks that they capped my gains. That's so bullshit. They did not say that they would do that.
I'm closing that. Fuck it. I'm done. Can't be asked. Hope this. Did anyone take this long? I gave the signal, by the way.
Nice one, Jack.
I just keep making minuscule profits with like I'm slow, not minuscule profits. I'm slowly adding to my balance. But like it's just like small amounts. It's just a bit annoying.
Yeah, this shit is fucking hard.
I can't believe they capture gains, bro.
I was pretty confident in the longs, especially after we had the nice W shape on the 5 minute. I think we should still come for the pre-session highs at like 315. But we do have that massive bearish S&P. ES just took out Asia highs and almost to the top of the 15 minute. ES may run out of room.
That 5 minute worked really well.
10 a.m. or 11 a.m. AM session was over.
Shit, bro, holy edge. This is I can't know. This is why I got out the long. I was bro, I can't be asked. The fact that we didn't wick through it, I couldn't be asked to wait about.
$150K account with the.
That's insane though, Dustin. GG's, my boy. See what I'm saying, boys? And this is why I got out.
profits on my demo account that I was leading. An additional 6,800 in profits that I didn't get to participate in.
Nice, Woodsy. Nice. Good shit, bro. There's a thing that rhymes pretty nicely. It's called Tarkov time. I think it's called, what's it called? When there's two words that start with the same letter? Collateral. Illiteral. I can't remember what it's called.
I started playing Rome Total War 2. You guys ever played that?
Yeah, alliteration. No, I haven't played that. Did you look at that? Have you looked at that Ark Survival, I think it's called? Has anyone looked at that?
No.